Hey everybody, I just thought that I would go through an unboxing of our Synergy Gel Trial Kit today. I've had a lot of people DM us. They're after a little bit more information on exactly which gels come and what you do get in your gel trial kit. So I'm going to go through this with you right now. Once you open the box, remove that lid, you'll see that you receive a full-size protein bond, a half-size finish gel, a 7-gram tub of Synergy Gel Base, a 7-gram tub of Synergy Build in Clear, a 7-gram tub of Clear Sculptor, a 7-gram tub of Concealer Pink, a 7-gram tub of Gloss Gel, and also a 7-gram tub of White Sculptor. You will also see that when you open the box, that inside you have got your instructions. So that, folks, is all the contents in our gel trial kit. So hopefully that's helped anybody with any questions on what it includes. Don't forget, it is on promo for this month and next month, so jump into the specials category, also onto our promotion section on the website, and also keep your eye open for some future tutorials that we'll be doing, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks everybody.